Hello guys, it's Luke Mead here, and today in this video I'm going to be showing you how to take a full page screenshot on Google Chrome. You can see here, this is the end result we'll be achieving. It literally captures the entire full screen of your website, like this one here. And we can then download that as a PNG or a PDF, so we have some great options. So let's get straight into it. The first thing you need to do is make sure that you're in Google Chrome. And once you're in there, what we're going to do is then go to Chrome extensions. If you Google that, it'll take you to the Chrome Web Store where we can search and find our extension we want to add in. So I'm going to search screenshot full, or you can go straight and search go full page. This is the plugin or extension we're going to be using. Here it is, go full page. It is extremely popular, this extension, for good reasons, because it works really well. It's nice and clean and easy to use, and it's fast. So once you install that by clicking this button up here, it'll install to your Chrome browser, and what you want to do is head to your website that you want to take a screenshot of and make sure you load the whole website by scrolling all the way to the bottom and make sure all the images are in. Keep in mind, if you have any animations and stuff like that, they're not going to appear on the screenshot because obviously this is a still image. Now head to the top right hand side and access the extensions bar, and then we're going to hit the go full page extension, which is going to open up and start taking our full page screenshot. Now don't move, let this happen, and you see it scrolls through and starts taking screenshots and starts stitching them together automatically, and bang, it spits it out for you. Here we go. You can see that they've taken a full screenshot of the entire website like that. Now, if we want, we can edit here, or we can delete it and start again, or we can download this in a variety of formats from PNG through to PDF. So this is a really handy tool, and you can see both of these open up and they're great quality, and there's no annoying branding here or anything that is going to take away from the value of the screenshot. And you can see here, this is the PNG, and these are quite high quality files as well. You're not using some terrible software here. It's actually quite beautiful. Have a look at the quality they've captured in this. It's quite good. So I really recommend this plugin. Remember, it's called Go Full Page. It's had 60,000 ratings and used by over 5 million people. I cannot recommend it enough. It is by far the easiest and best software to use. The other ones can be clunky and have malware and just slow down your browser. So I highly recommend investing in this one. Keep in mind, it is totally free, so you can't go wrong at all. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Have a great day. I'll speak to you next time. Ciao, ciao.